Hello everyone, how are you? So today we'll be discussing surface area and volumes for class 9. This is prescribed in your CBSE books. So if you would have gone through this chapter, you know there are multiple types of 3D shapes in your chapter. Today's lecture is going to be all about cylinders. Cylinder का TSA, CSA, volume, how do we deal with word problems, etc. Okay, so starting with these terms, TSA. What do we mean by TSA? TSA मतलब total surface area, which means अगर ये आपका 3D फिगर है, इसका पूरा एरिया कितना है, तो पूरे एरिया में क्या आएगा? टॉप के सर्कल का एरिया, बॉटम के सर्कल का एरिया और जो ये कर्व्ड सरफेस है उसका एरिया. ठीक है, तो हमें पता है कि सर्कल है ऊपर, उसका एरिया होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर, सर्कल है नीचे, उसका एरिया होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर. अब बीच वाला जो कर्व्ड सरफेस है उसका एरिया कैसे निकालें? लेट अस से कि मैं इस कर्व्ड सरफेस को ओपन कर देती हूँ. मैंने उसको ओपन किया तो वो एक रेक्टेंगल बन गया. ठीक है, रेक्टेंगल अब जो ये बना है, इसका बॉटम पार्ट जो था वो पहले एक सर्कल था, मैंने उसको खोल दिया तो वो एक रेक्टेंगल बन गया. तो जो बॉटम पार्ट का सर्कमफ्रेंस था, सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस होता है 2 पाई आर. जो पहले यहाँ का सर्कमफ्रेंस था वो अब खुल गया और इसकी लेंथ बन गया 2 पाई आर. ठीक है, और जो हाइट थी इसकी, वो इसकी हाइट बन गई h. तो कह सकते हैं कि ये जो कर्व्ड सरफेस है बीच का, that is nothing but a rolled rectangle. एक रेक्टेंगल, मान लीजिए आपके पास एक रेक्टेंगुलर चार्ट है, जब आप उसको ऐसे ऐसे करके रोल करते हैं तो वो एक सिलेंडर बन जाता है, खोल दो तो वापस से रेक्टेंगल बन जाता है. सो यू कैन से that this curved surface is nothing but a rolled rectangle. अब रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या होता है? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. लेंथ इज 2 पाई आर, ब्रेथ इज h. सो इस कर्व्ड सरफेस का एरिया बन गया 2 पाई आर h. टोटल सरफेस एरिया विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर h, सारे एरियाज का सम. पाई आर स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. अब इसमें से मैं 2 पाई आर कॉमन ले सकती हूँ. आप जैसे ही कॉमन लोगे आपके पास बचेगा 2 पाई आर प्लस h. दिस इज द TSA ऑफ अ सिलेंडर. टॉकिंग अबाउट द CSA, which is called the curved surface area. Curved surface area is same as lateral surface area, which you might have studied for a cube and cuboid. So lateral surface area is nothing but the area excluding the top and bottom. In the case of cylinder, we call it curved surface area instead of a lateral surface area, because when you remove the top and bottom of the cylinder, you are only left with a curved part. So it is called CSA. We just saw that the area of this curved part is 2 pi r h. Okay, and the volume का एक फॉर्मूला होता है बेस एरिया इंटू हाइट. आपने क्यूबॉइड के लिए भी देखा होगा. अगर ये आपके क्यूबॉइड का बेस है, लेट अस से लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, और ये आपके क्यूबॉइड की हाइट है h, तो इसकी वॉल्यूम इज L इंटू बी इंटू एच. यू कैन से LB इज द बेस एरिया, क्योंकि इस बेस का एरिया L इंटू बी ही होगा. सेम फॉर सिलेंडर. बेस एरिया ऑफ दिस बेस विच इज पाई आर स्क्वायर इंटू हाइट विच इज h. दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. You can note down these 3 formulas: the TSA of cylinder, the CSA of cylinder, and the volume of cylinder. Using these 3 formulae, we are going to solve one question that is written in your NCERT. Okay, so we'll be discussing this question 9 from your exercise 13.2, which is in your NCERT, of course. Question 9 says, you have to find the LSA or CSA of a cylindrical tank that is 4.2 meters in diameter and 4.5 meters in height. ठीक है, तो अगर diameter 4.2 है, we know radius is nothing but diameter upon 2, 4.2 upon 2, which is 2.1. So from here to here, the radius is 2.1 and height is given to us as 4.5 meters. We have to find the LSA. LSA या CSA का फॉर्मूला हमने अभी लिखा है 2 pi RH. Let us solve it. CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. Whenever the value of pi is not mentioned, you take it as 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, which is 2.1 into 4.5. 7 and 2.1 cancel as 0.3. 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 0.3 into 45. Let us multiply 4.5 this was. You will get 1.35. Let us multiply 135 and 44. 5940 and decimal after 2 places. So 59.4 meter square is your CSA of this cylinder. Very easy. We just have to apply our formula. All the information is given. Let us also calculate the TSA. Let me erase this and then we shall calculate the TSA. TSA of a cylinder was 2 pi r plus h. Radius we found out as 2.1, 2.1 plus 4.5. Again 7 and 2.1 cancel as a 0.3, 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. Let us multiply 0.3 and 6.6. Decimal after 2 places 1.98. Multiplying 198 with 44. 792. This is 11, 17 and decimal after 2 places, so 87.12 meters square is your TSA. Again, very simple, you just have to apply your formula. Okay, moving to the second part, how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So what we are given is that this cylinder is a solid cylinder and it is made up of steel. मतलब इस पूरे cylinder के अंदर steel है. तो वो निकालने के लिए that how much capacity does this have? We have to calculate the volume. That volume will give us how much steel is actually used in making this tank. Okay, so volume is nothing but pi r square h. Radius is 2.1 into 2.1 into 4.5. You can cancel this as 0.3. 22 into 0.3 into 2.1 into 4.5. Let us solve. Let us multiply 0.3 and 21. So it is 0.63. Yes, into 4.5. Let us multiply 22 and 63 first. So 22 into 63, 3 2s are 6. 1386, decimal after 2 places. So 13.86 into 4.5. Now let's multiply 1386 and 45. 6930, 6 4s are 24. 6 62370. 62370, decimal after 3 places. So 62.37 meter cube is the volume of steel used. Okay, so the question is how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. तो आपके पास ये तो है actual volume of steel used. After that 1/12 of it was wasted. So let us say you took X volume of steel. After wasting 1/12 of it, how much do you have? 62.37. After wasting, so it will be a negative, which means initially you took X amount of steel. ठीक है, उसमें से आपका 1/12 वेस्ट हो गया. 1/12 वेस्ट हो गया. वेस्ट होने के बाद आपके पास जितना स्टील बचा वो था 62.37, because in the end to make this tank you needed 62.37. 62.37 meter cubes of steel is left after the amount that was wasted. So let us say X was taken initially. Taking an LCM, 12x minus X is equal to 62.37. I shall continue the calculation over here. 11x upon 12 is equal to 62.37. Doing cross multiplication, let us remove the decimal. Let us see if it cancels with 11. 23. 6237. Let us do long division. 5s are 55. We are left with a 7. We bring the 3 down. 6. 66. We are left with a 6. Oh no, we are left with a 7. Bringing 7 down. 7. So 567. 567 into 12 upon 100. Let us do multiplication now. 567 into 12. 6804 upon 100. So 68.04 meter cubes of steel was actually used in making this cylinder. I hope you understood this question. We did cylinder, we did its TSA, CSA volume, and we also solved the problems based on these formula. They are very simple. It is just about your mathematical calculations and nothing else. We also have a video application. You can access our further videos on our app. The link for the same is given in the description below. All the best.